I tried to flip 6 USD to about 40 USD in a single trade of 1:7 RR, of which I did easily on my phone, and this is what happened at the end. Let's go through the video. This was the history on the account before I started trading it. Checking out the date, yeah, you can see it. I deposited 6 USD, was in a drawdown, so I only deposited to support it, closed all the losses, and started a new trade. So the account was 6.9 cents. Yeah, you can see it before I started trading. And this was the trades, running trades. You all can see that. Yeah, so I was just stacking trade. On every retracement, I only added 0.001 lot. I was just adding stacking trades on every retracement. And that was it. You can see 8 USD booked. But I had to close some profit, of which I did not. I only kept on stacking, adding positions here and there, like I was just adding. It went way in profit, but I never closed. I was still waiting for it to dip down. You can see the chart. Yeah, it really went much into profit. So I was just waiting for price or for it to get down to the last rejecting point. I was just waiting for it to get down there. Then I can close all positions, of which it never did. It went close and went up again. Went close and went up again. Went close and went up again several times, but I never saw the red flag to close all the positions. I went way into profit, way into profit. I could have closed now 17 USD, 18, yeah. It really went much into profit. That was the trade. And this was the highest profit that I recorded, almost 32 USD. I was supposed to close all this, but I did not. It was still running, dipping down. My take profit was way down, so I expected it to hit my take profit, of which it did not. I ended up closing all these in losses. So I'm going to show you the trade, how I caught the trade, and what really happened. This was the trades that I took. Checking on the history. This was the history. That was on FIF. All through to SIF. Yeah, this was the trade I was taking. On the history, what you saw was the buys that I closed. I closed all at this point. So that was the losses I was taking. I was in a drawdown. So I deposited 6 USD, which added up to the balance that was left after closing these buys. And I started taking this trade, these sell positions, because I saw that price was going for a sell. And these were the confluences I saw before I took the trade. I saw that support became resistance here, and it created a double top and multiple rejections. So I took my first sell, that was 0.2 up here. Then I kept on adding 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. I was just checking, looking for retracements on the lower time frames, and I was just adding trades. So you can see I only added few trades going down here. When it retraced to this point, I added some trades. Then I saw that price was going way down. So then I started adding more positions, all through to this point. Was adding more positions on every little retracement. So that was the trades that I was stacking more trades adding more positions. So I was waiting for price to dip down to this point, or let's say close below, because I waited for the daily candle to close below this, just close a little bit lower than it, but it was just rejecting at this point. Came to this zone, rejected. This point, rejected. This was the closest it got, but it was rejected. So I think at this moment, I thought that price would just hit this point, maybe closing all positions at this point, but it never did. It got rejected here again, and this was the retracement that closed all the positions. So you can see this was the point that all my positions were closed. So I had to close all these profits, about 32 USD, made from just trading 6.9 cent USD. I could have closed way up with about 38 USD, which I could have entered for more positions and grow the account, but I lost it all. So this retracement came up here. It was not even close to my entry because my entry was here. My entry was at this point. Yeah, it came close to my entry before the big sell all the way down, and the next day it closed way below where I was expecting it to close the previous day. So this was the trade, the history. Yeah, so looking at the mistakes that I did, I can only say I was just being more greedy. I could have closed all this, or let's say book some profit to increase my account, but I did not. And I ended up losing all this. You know, when you become greedy and you think you are Superman of the market, the market will surely come for you. And this was the revenge the market took on me, losing all this, seeing the profits, and ended up losing it all. I'm still learning from my mistakes, how to flip account, grow small accounts, still learning. So I think as time goes by, I must not repeat such mistakes. Yeah, we're all still learning. So let's learn from these mistakes. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Check out the links in my bio to register for a broker account and join the free Telegram group where I share signals or trades that I take. To the next video, I say peace out.